Welcome learners to Puri Padhai. In this tutorial of the HTML video series, we will learn about HTML image tag. In HTML, images are defined with the img tag. The img tag is empty. It contains attributes only and does not have any closing tag. So basically it's an one-sided tag. It does not have any closing tag. You do not need to put a closing tag for this image. It's an empty tag. The src attribute means source specifies the URL web address of the image. So src means source. We will provide the source of the image, the source will contain the web address of that image. For example, in the syntax you can see image src URL and alt and some text is there. So we'll try to understand this syntax, what this syntax and the third point is trying to say in the Notepad++. So in the Notepad++, here I have given image src, and let's see, do we have some image to display? We have an image named Puri Padhai. So we can display this Puri Padhai. You can copy this. This is the source which we are talking about. You can copy this and then you can paste it over here. Now you can save this file in the desired folder. I will be saving up in the particular folder, naming HTML tutorial E with the name test33.html. HTML extension is very much necessary. Now we will go back to the folder. We'll open up this file in the Google Chrome and we will see the source we have given. Is it working? Yes. So this is the source. Source means the name of the file which we have given. Puri Padhai, it's working. Let's see what else is there in image. Image alt attribute. The alt attribute specifies another alternate text for an image if the image cannot be displayed. The alt attributes provide alternative information for an image if a user for some reason cannot view it because of slow connection, internet connection, an error in the src attribute, or if the user uses a screen reader, something like that. If a browser cannot find an image, it will display the alt text. For example, image src Puri Padhai alt Puri Padhai slide. So what does all about this alt is? You can read this text by pausing this tutorial, but I will tell you directly simply what is the use of this alt text practically on Notepad++. So what we can do is that we will write over here. I have already stored one file of mj.jpg in the folder, and here we will write alt is equal to, we will write the name Michael Jackson. Okay, and now we will save this file and we will again go back to the Google Chrome and we will reload this page. Now here you can see, learners, this is the photo of Michael Jackson. But how to understand that alt that we have put over here? For example, learners, the source which we have given mj.jpg, this was the source. See, mj.jpg. If I change the name, for example, if I give the name mj1, so mj1 is not stored in the file, so computer will not be able to access that file. So means the image will not reload because that file is not there. So then when the image will not reload, what will it reload? Let's see. Then this alt attribute will work. We'll open it, reload it, and it will return Michael Jackson. So from here, a user or the customer who is visiting your website, that person will be able to know there was an image of Michael Jackson. Yes, the image is not able to load, but that user will be able to understand that there was the image of Michael Jackson, although the image is not able to load. Now we will move forward. HTML image width and height. This you can give by in two ways. For example, you can give it in pixels, you can give it in percentage, or you can give normally also. Here you can see here 128, here it is given in pixel, here it is given in percentage. So this is also we will try to understand. going to Notepad++, and here we will give width is equals to 123 in the double quotes, and height again we will give 123, and we will save this file. We again go back to the page. Yeah, we have to write it mj, and over here we'll reload it. So this is the width and the height. You can give it in pixel also, px also. We'll again go back to we'll reload this Chrome. So in pixels also there are some changes, and we can give it in some percentage. We'll do Ctrl+S, and again we'll go back to the folder, we'll reload it. Now in pixels or in percentage it has gone much wider. So these are the ways which you can give the HTML image width and height. These are three ways. You can give normal 128, you can give 128 pixel, or you can give 128 percentage. Now HTML image in another folder. For example, if not specified, the browser expects to find an image in the same folder as the web page. However, it is common to store images in a subfolder. You must then include the folder name in the src attribute. For example, this is the syntax: image src folder puri padhai.jpg. So this is also, we'll try to understand what it is trying to say. Now here, if we go back to the folder, here the images are outside the folder. Now if you want to access an image like this, if you want to access this image, folder puri padhai.png, but this image is in a particular folder, it's in a particular directory, how we will able to access it? Simply we have to just give the path. For example, first we will give the name, and then we will give the path. Inside folder there is an image of folder puri padhai.png. So let's see, will it work? Ctrl+S, we'll go back to the Chrome, we'll reload it. Yes, it's working. It's going to a particular folder, and in that folder it's accessing the image. It's working perfectly fine. So this is how you can go to a particular folder and it can access that file also. Now we will see HTML image on another server. Some websites store their images on images server. Actually, you can access images from any web address in the world. Example is this image src, and we have given the complete address. This also I will try to make you understand this. For example, if you go to the Google Chrome, this is the Google server. You can see this is the Google server, and in this Google server there is the image of Justin Bieber. And if we view this image, for example, if you click on this view, so this is the server location. This is the actual server location in the Google server location. If you don't want to save it, you just want to access it from the Google server, you can save the address which is there, Ctrl+copy. You can paste the whole address over here, and then you can do Ctrl+S. Go back to the Chrome, make sure you should have internet connection, reload it, and here you can see from the Google server it has accessed the image of Justin Bieber. Now we will move forward. HTML animated images. The GIF standard allows animated images also. This is how we can give the GIF images. For example, if you go to the Notepad++, we have one GIF images also with us, which is loading.gif. This is the GIF images which we are having. So here you can paste this GIF image destination. and then you can go back to Chrome, you can reload it. And so learners, continuing the previous part of the image tag video, so we were there at the GIF image. So here you can see, after running this code, we have successfully made the GIF image available in this website. And there is one more way what we can do after this GIF image, is that in images we can also give a link. To use an image as a link, simply nest the image tag inside an anchor tag. Nesting is done. This is how we can do. Just making a burger, in between there is a slice of img src in between, and top layer and below layer is the HTML hyperlink references. So we'll go to Notepad++ and we will give this a link. For example, we can give it ahref is equals to, we can give the address of Puri Padhai, http puripadhai.com/. Now this is the ahref link which we have given over here, image, and here you can close that tag. So between, let me show you. So this was the syntax which it was saying, image src in between and ahref nested. Now we will save this, Ctrl+S. We'll go back to the Chrome, we'll reload it. Now you can see we can click on it, and as soon as we click, it will redirect to the Puri Padhai website. It's loading. Yes, it's done. So this was all about the image. What we can do in image, we can give GIF, we can extract an image from the server, just we did of Justin Bieber Google server. We have taken up the image of Justin Bieber from the Google server. We can also take an image from an particular folder we have stored, or we can also give different sizes in percentage, in pixels, or in normal way of height and width of an image. Lots of things can be done with image. So hope learners, you would have understand this whole 2 tutorials. So thank you learners. Now we will meet in the next tutorial of this HTML video series. Till then, happy coding.
Your feedback is valuable for all. So please comment, like and share with your friends. Thank you.